For this recipe, we are going to use very simple ingredients that are easy to find. You probably have it in your garden, at a neighbor's house, or simply in your kitchen. You can use aloe vera or aloe saponaria, which is the one I'm using right now, an aloe that has white spots on its skin. Aloe provides deep hydration, besides being an excellent soothing and anti-inflammatory agent. It also gives us cell regeneration. Aloe contains compounds that can stimulate the regeneration of skin cells, helping with healing and keeping the skin young and healthy. We are going to get the aloe gel from an aloe leaf. And then what we're going to do is use a blender to blend it very well. Would you like me to make a new video with the uses of aloe in the kitchen? Semen is tasty and healthy in recipes. We can also use aloe gel. Commercial? Here we have the aloe gel that we just mixed. And we're going to need powdered milk. We're going to use 4 heaping tablespoons. I'll tell you right now how many grams that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, it's about 52 grams. And now we're going to add the aloe gel, which is 42 grams. Now we're going to mix it very well, slowly, so that it incorporates the powdered milk into the aloe gel. Powdered milk has lactic acid, which is the star component of milk. It's an alpha hydroxy acid that acts as a natural exfoliant. It helps remove dead cells from the top layer of the skin. The properties of milk contribute to a smoother and softer skin texture to the touch. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of olive oil. You can also use almond oil. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids, which will soften and smooth your skin. We're also going to use a very small teaspoon of honey. Another ingredient we're going to use is sea salt. Salt cleans and purifies the pores and provides minerals. We'll use a very small teaspoon. That's 2 grams. We whisk vigorously. And you'll see how it turns out, a kind of milky cream, just spectacular. Let's whisk really well. I almost forgot we need to measure the pH. Well, as you can see, it has a pH between 4, a little over 4 to 5, so it's perfect. Now I'll show you how to use this cream we just made. Cleopatra used to say these were her secret ingredients for beauty. We're simply going to apply it to our face on the area we want to work on, like this, in this way. As you can see, it's very delicate and it's like a mask. We can use it all over the face, on the hands and on the neck. And we're going to let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You only leave it on for that amount of time. When that time is up, we wash our face with warm water, without soap, without anything else. If we use a very gentle soap, we wash our face with warm water and that's it. This treatment is done once or twice a week. Preferably don't use it all night because the effects will be there. I mean, its maximum potency will be between 15 to 20 minutes, between 10 to 20 minutes. Even if we leave it on longer, it's not going to have more effect, so just that amount of time is already great. Effective and enough. And we'll be able to keep it for a week and a half in the fridge. If we used, for example, commercial aloe, it would last longer. That's all.